Hello, grade 3 students. Today, our lesson about your teeth. Lesson 2, page 14. Okay, we will talk about our teeth today. A model of jaws containing a set of prominent teeth. Today, we will talk about the kinds of the teeth we have, a primary and permanent teeth. Number one, we will talk about the primary teeth and the permanent teeth. During each person's lifetime, in our lifetimes, two sets of teeth appear. So the kids have a primary and the adults have a permanent teeth. Okay, so the primary teeth and permanent teeth. Your first teeth could be seen when you are about 6 months. When you are 6 months, your primary teeth will grow. So it's called primary teeth to the kids. By the age of 3 years, you will usually have 20 teeth. At age of 3, you have 20 of teeth. Okay, let's talk about the primary teeth first. The primary teeth are number one, small and not very hard. The primary teeth, the first teeth grow on your mouth when you are a kid, when you are 6 months. So by age 6 years, your teeth will be changed to the permanent teeth. So the primary teeth are small and not very hard. Primary teeth, small and not very hard. So again, by the age of about 6 years, you begin to lose primary teeth. Your primary teeth you will lose it. So permanent teeth began to appear to replace them. Okay, so when you are a kid on 6 months, your primary teeth grow. It's small and not very hard. At 6 years, you begin to lose the primary teeth and permanent teeth begin to appear to replace them. Now let's talk about the permanent teeth. Continue to grow out over the period of years. They are bigger and harder. So the difference between the primary teeth and permanent teeth, it's bigger and harder. The primary teeth small and not very hard, and the permanent teeth bigger and harder than the primary. Now the permanent teeth are 20. The primary teeth are 20 and the permanent teeth are 32. 16 in every jawbone. We have an up jawbone and a down jawbone. So we have 32 teeth, but the primary teeth are 20. Okay, now let's talk about the kinds of and functions of teeth. There are 4 kinds of permanent teeth. So we have 4 kinds of permanent teeth. Kind number 1, the incisors in the front of your mouth. Look at the incisors in the front of your mouth with sharp edges. We can use it every time we eat. Look at these incisors in the front of your mouth with sharp edges. They are used to cut food. We use it to cut food. Okay, so we use it to cut food. The canines, which are pointed teeth that tear food into smaller pieces. Look, this is the canines. Okay, which are pointed teeth that tear food into smaller pieces. So we cut food, then the canines make it small. Okay, the premolars, look at the premolars with double points that tear and crush food. You can crush food by the premolars. So the first you cut the food, the canyons will make it smaller and the premolars will crush the food. The last thing is the molars. Molars with several rounded points that grain food. You can grain food by the molars. By the molars. So number one, we cut the food, then the canyons will make it smaller, then the premolars will crush the food, and the molars grind the food. Okay, this is our lesson for today. We will resume in the next week, inshallah. Goodbye.